Here I have iPhone 14, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the privacy and security section, then go to the location services, camera, and here you can enable camera location to while using the app, or only ask next time or when you share. So yeah, you have two options of enabling camera location here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.